Taiwan's central bank just warned of an AI bubble. On the very same day, AI stocks dripped higher, and TeraWulf just signed a $19 billion 20-year contract with Anthropic. So which story do you believe? Here is what I do instead of guessing. I run 3 simple checks, and by the end of this video, I'll give you my verdict with a date. First, let me show you where these 3 checks come from. We have seen this movie before, the dot-com bubble. In early 2000, the biggest stocks quietly stopped making new highs. They made a lower high, then another lower high, while companies kept announcing record spending. That combination is called distribution. It is when the big money quietly sells to excited small investors while the news still sounds good. That pattern gives us exactly 3 things to check today. Check 1. Are the prices making lower highs? Well, the leaders of this boom are all off their highs. NVIDIA is down about 11%. Micron is down 21%. Lumentum is down 28%. And most of them have slipped below their 50-day trend lines. So yes, prices are looking tired, but there's a catch. This dip is only a few weeks old, and the dot-com warning needs 3 months of it. So check 1 is a yes, but with an asterisk. Check 2. Is the spending still growing? Oh yes, loudly. TSMC, the company that makes almost every AI chip on earth, says it's completely sold out through 2027. And TeraWulf just signed a 20-year, $19 billion data center deal with Anthropic, the company behind Claude. That is not just a rumor on social media. It's written in an official government filing. Here is the difference from the dot-com days though. Back then, the spending was mostly dreams and borrowed money. Today, you can actually read the contracts. So check 2 is a clear yes. The spending is real and it's still growing. And check 3, is the long-term trend broken? No. Those same leaders are still trading above their 200-day line. That's the long-term trend line. The floor is holding. So check 3 says, this is not a crash, at least not yet. So let's put it all together. Prices are tired, that's warning number 1. Spending is loud, that's warning number 2. But the long-term floor is still holding. That's why I call this a tripwire and not a trap. And I'll mention 3 dates. July 14th, the June CPI inflation report. July 16th, TSMC's quarterly earnings. If they say that the demand is cooling, I'll believe them over any influencer. And in October, if the stock prices are still making lower highs, my rule says reduce. No debating long-term price action. So what am I doing with my own money? I'm holding around 20% in cash. That's my fuel for buying dips. I didn't sell anything this week and I didn't buy anything either. I'm keeping a close eye on the stocks I already hold. I've set alerts at about 20% down and at 35% down. If one of those fires, I'll recheck the story, not just the price. A solid plan prevents panic. If this kind of no hype breakdown helps you, then subscribe. I'll bring these every week. And tell me in the comments, are we in a bubble or is the market just taking a breather?